Hi guys, whew, the lighting is really bad here. So I wanted to share in this video a bit of a vlogish type of video about my weekly meal plan, what I buy for the groceries, and how I put everything away, and how I prep for the week. So I'm gonna start with showing you what I had. Well, actually, I'm going to start with showing you the menu first, and I'm going to share what I bought for the week. Some of it will last me more than a week, and I'll also share with you how much I spent. So come along. Last week you saw what how I meal planned for the month, and then I just go from there and meal plan for the week, and I'll meal plan all of the breakfast, lunches, and dinners. For lunches, I will do school lunches, daycare lunches, and my lunches. So as you can see, there's bacon and eggs, pancakes, omelet, oatmeal, smoothie, and then for myself, I have soup, salad, smoothie, and salad. I have to write salad here. And then I just took from the monthly menu, I had to change up 2 dinners over just because what we ate this week kind of to work towards next week. So, and for this, here is the grocery haul. So I went to 2 different stores. I went to Costco, which is pretty much like this, and I've spent $189 at Costco. So let me show you what I bought. So I picked up these. We are going to some tournaments, so I wanted to have some yogurts to take along and kind of have kids snack on that because it's higher in protein. And I also picked up these because they were on sale for the daycare. The kids seem to love the chicken nuggets. I don't typically buy those, but thought for a treat. And then I also bought the Made Good granola minis. My kids love these, as well as the pretzel crisps, some focaccia croutons for Caesar salad. And I also got the mini wontons, chicken and cilantro. These are great in our soup. I just take my chicken broth that I make, and I will add some of those, some spring onion, if you have bok choy, and it tastes delicious. Quick lunch. I also got some Brussels sprouts, broccoli, bananas, baby carrots for school lunches. Obviously this will last me for a while. Some English cucumber, thing of peppers, thing of nuts, which I will separate into servings. I got some green beans. I love these because they're already cleaned. Got the Montreal steak seasoning because this is great on pork and beef for the season, the barbecue season. This will last me the whole season. Then got 2 cream cheeses, a bag of zucchini. I love these tomatoes, they're great. These will probably last me 2 weeks as well. Some baby spinach for salad and smoothies. I picked up this bacon. It was actually a really good deal on this bacon. I think it was $10 for 2 packs, and it's a little bit thicker cut. I got the Mighty Caesar salad and Gala apples. Now moving on, I went to a store called Real Canadian Superstore, and here I had spent $139.17. And I got the PC Gourmet Medium Roast Coffee. We buy the whole beans because my coffee maker will grind up the beans. I bought some rice stick medium size, as well as penne. I got taco shells because we're gonna have tacos. I'm gonna have a taco salad. The kids love the hard shells. Thing of romaine lettuce, a whole 30 flat of eggs, milk, watermelon, grapes, some coconut milk. And I picked up 2 of these. It's Portugallo hot sauce. This sauce is amazing and it has no carbs. Spicy garlic and just hot sauce. Then I got also sriracha, some tea, lots of cauliflower, soya sauce, the dark soya sauce, clementines, this yogurt, this one's for me, it's the plain Greek yogurt, strawberries, some shallots or green onions, Ezekiel English muffins, Chinese broccoli, and then I got some sardines for my dog and some bird food for the bird. And I also got some snack size Ziploc bags. These are, I'm going to be separating some of these snacks into these. Toilet paper, and we love this natural sparkling water. It's just flavored sparkling water, but it has nothing in it. If you look, it's just 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 sodium, 0 carbs, 0 of everything. And it just very refreshing when you pour it over ice. So this is the whole grocery. Typically I don't spend as much, but close to weekly. We will most likely eat most of the vegetables, except the carrots. We probably won't go through all of the yogurt, won't go through all of the snacks for sure. Coffee will last us probably 2 weeks. Eggs, probably the whole week. Milk as well. Yogurt, my yogurt will probably last me a week and a half. And that's it. Now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna store all this away. So usually what I'll do is I will go through the fridge, make sure that there's nothing that has gone bad or hiding in corners. I'll give it a quick wipe, and then I'm going to put the groceries away. As you can see, we are pretty empty. This is actually milk for one of the daycare kids, which I'll probably go take down to a daycare fridge. But other than that, I'm going to give it a quick clean and put everything away. So here it is, all packed away in the fridge. I did have to take some stuff downstairs because it did not fit. And tomorrow I will do some prepping, so I will be separating some of these items and I will show you that tomorrow. So it's Saturday morning and I just came back from a local bakery. I wanted to share with you. I like picking up these about once a month. There's 2 dozen of bagels. These are Montreal style bagels, and if you're in KW area, it's the wood fire bagels, and they taste delicious. And I usually stick them in a freezer and have them for quick breakfast. So I need to get some of these snacks packed up. I am using these Ziploc bags. There are the snack collections. They are 16.5 centimeters by 8.2. And I will be measuring out servings and putting them in here. This I won't because it's already pre-packaged. But the rest of them I will, for that way everybody has a serving and knows how much they're eating. So I packed up all the snacks and I will be putting them up top in my pantry where they're not so easily accessible right in their face. I'm gonna put a label on it as well. For meal prep, I'm just gonna hard-boil some eggs. I have 11 in here and I put a cup of water underneath and steam them for 8 minutes. I am also going to prep some chicken for salads, so that way I can put some in the fridge and some in the freezer, and then for lunch we can just have a quick salad. Here's some of the prep that I've already done. There's watermelon in here, grapes in here, hard-boiled eggs in here, and I just have to figure out whether I'm going to make packets for smoothies or just leave them in there. So it's all done. I have some eggs right in here, and then over here I have yogurts. I'm trying a new yogurt for the kids, the Mediterranean. It's 9%. It's super delicious. And then over here is all the veggies that the kids take to school. Carrots are washed. Already some cut up, peppers, an extra pepper, and a cucumber. That's what they take to school every single day. I don't like cutting up cucumber because I find it goes slimy. And then I just cut up veggies for next 2 days, not for longer than that, because I do find it does not keep very well. Then over here I have watermelon, some washed strawberries already, and some grapes. All of my lettuce, the big pack of 6 romaine lettuce hearts I cut up. I have 3 in, I think there's 3 in there, and 3 over there for dinner because we're having salad for dinner. Then I have my spinach for smoothies and other salads, some mixed greens as well for salads. We do have salad every day, sometimes twice a day. And then I have all the extra strawberries and raspberries. I do find once I wash strawberries they go bad a lot faster, and because we have so much fruit in the house, I need to keep them to stay as long as they possibly can. So that's it. The only thing that's missing is cheese strings and Baby Bell, which I will buy as well because we like to have those. The snacks are over there. Then I just have to get this fruit sorted. Just gonna put the rest of it into the fruit bowl. I'm using this banana for my smoothie. It's just about done. And these kids can usually just help themselves several times a day. My son will almost always have a banana before practice because he finds that it prevents cramping because he swims for 2 hours. So that's what he has. And my daughter loves apples and peanut butter when she comes home from practice, from her dancing. And then I also, so all those bagels, package them up in a bag, and these will go in a freezer, and kids can just help themselves to one for breakfast as they wish. So I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It took me a couple days to record it, but it's done. The meal prep for the week is done. These will last me more than a week. They'll probably last me a month, but most of the fruit and veggies will only last a week. I'm hoping that the snacks will last me more than a week. I'm hoping at least 2 weeks, but we will see. We are doing a lot of travel for next couple weeks, weekends for competition, so it all depends. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.